Okay, so finally OnePlus rolls out the most awaited update for OnePlus Nord 4, which is a Jan security patch, but it do bring some changes and new features. Even OnePlus Nord 3 received the Jan update, but that device did not bring any kind of new add-ons. But we get to see some new features on OnePlus Nord 4. So here you can see we have our OnePlus Nord 4, and if I go to about section, here you can see device OnePlus Nord 4, which is running OxygenOS 15 stable build. If I tap on version, now this device is running 15.0.0.500. And if you see towards the bottom side, we have 1st Jan 2025 security patch running on this device. The update I've just started rolling out. Even I did not receive an OTA update, so I had to manually install the update. If you guys want to install, I'll provide the file in the description below. Just perform a local install, and the update size is somewhere around 1 GB. Here you can see the file. While installing locally, you will see the update size as 989 MB. Guys, before talking about the changes, we have somewhere around 85% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel, but they do watch our videos. So if you guys find our content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So now let's directly talk about the change logs. I won't be comparing the benchmark scores here because that I'll be showing you guys in the in-depth review video along with the gaming performance and other stuff. So if you take a look at the notes, here you can see there are 3 changes done. One is layer 2 interconnection, the second one is layer 2 apps, and the third one is layer 2 system. So when it comes to system, it says they have improved the system stability and integrated security patch of Jan 2025. But if you take a look at the first changelog, which is layer 2 interconnection, now they say they have added a touch to share feature that supports iOS devices. You can share photos and files with a touch. So yes guys, that feature have been added, and to use this feature you need to install OConnect application on your iPhone. Once you install it, you just have to locate the file which you want to transfer. It doesn't matter if it's a video file, audio, or any live photo. You just long press on the photo, tap on share, and you get the option share with iPhone. Just by tapping on it, you'll have a preview which will search for the nearby devices. Here also, if you're doing it for the first time, you need to allow the necessary permissions. Once you allow them, your device will be able to discover the nearby iPhone, and if the OConnect application is installed, you can easily connect. And you'll also see that cool animation which we used to see with iPhones while sharing files between iPhones. And transferring of file is quite faster. I just shared around 600 MB of file and it hardly took 4 to 5 seconds. So this thing can be really handy while transferring large files, and now you don't have to worry about cables or transferring the file to PC and then sending on your phone. You can just use this single tap feature to share the files with iPhones. So this is one feature what they have added, and after that if you see the change logs which are layer 2 application. So the first change is added a new feature to photos for personalized watermarks. So now in the camera application, we have got the support of new watermarks. In past, those watermarks were added on devices like OnePlus 12, OnePlus 11. So going to watermarks, here you can see now we have 2 categories. One is photo watermark, second one is video watermark. And here you can see a list of watermarks which have been added by OnePlus. We have 3 watermarks named frame, then we have some classic ones. Under classic ones, you can change the image. You have the option to add text, where you also have the options to choose different text like camera parameters, location, custom, or date and time. And after that, tapping on background colors, one we get the solid color, and the second color will be based on the photos color. So currently you can see we have the sky and combination of brown, and similar color can be seen here in the preview also. So this color depends on the photos color. After that, we have some classic camera watermarks. So here you can also change the camera model. So here you can see we have classic 135 that will be displayed here. Then we have classic TLR1, TLR Mark II, TLR Mark III, and many more. And again, similar option to change the text and the background color. 2 of them are the solid ones, black and white, and the third one, which again depends on the photo color. For the classic cameras, we have in total 5 watermarks, which you can choose from. Then we have 2 watermarks of the film, where you do have options to choose from film icons. So here we have around 4 presets, and similar way you can change the image, text, or background color. Then for the OnePlus brand power, we have 2 more watermarks where you can change the logo of OnePlus. One we have the logo, and the second one is logo with OnePlus text. And at last, we have 3 frames for the text, which also lets you apply classic cameras. And it's not only limited to photos watermark. For the videos also, we do have 3 watermarks option. Again, you can set the classic camera icons. You have the option to change the text. In the video, you can add 2 things at the same time, like location, date and time. And if you want to make changes, that can also be done. If you want, you can also add the custom text. And for the layout, we do have options to shift that text either to the top side or towards the bottom side. So these are the few new watermarks what OnePlus have added. And by chance, if you want to apply these watermarks on the previous photos also, you can just select the photo, tap on edit. Like you can see, there is no watermark here. And if you go to watermarks From here, you can choose any of the watermark on the previous photos which you have clicked. Then talking about the other changes which are related to few more applications, like they have improved the look and feel of audio summary, document AI, notes AI and call summary. So I'm not sure exactly about the call summary here because call summary I have seen on ColorOS, not on OxygenOS. But related to other changes in the look and feel, so let me show you that. So now if you go to Notes application and if you tap on this plus icon, we do have a new icon of AI assistant for Notes, and tapping on it, the pop-up is also completely revamped with a nice glow effect with different colors around the corners, or you can say on all the four sides. And the layout have also been properly segregated. Previously everything was beneath each other. Now format and cleanup have two sections which is side by side, followed by other options beneath each other and with a proper segregation. And also in the recorder application, now whenever you tap on the summary, you have a colorful icon instead of this basic color. So these are some of the changes what they have done. And one thing which I did not like about OnePlus, they are getting back these square type tiles in the control center. Previously it was curved before this update. I'll just show you a screenshot which I had taken before updating the device. So this is how it used to look. And now if you see, they have redesigned the brightness slider and volume slider. And I know most people might say that you can make changes in the shapes, but that's not applicable for the split option. If you are using the classic one, you do get an option to change the tile shape between square and other shapes, but this is not applicable if you're using the split mode. I hope with the upcoming updates, they do get back that rounded corners, which I personally like. So guys, these were all the changes. What you guys will see after the latest update of OnePlus Nord 4. If you guys have any kind of questions, drop them in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.